I just purchased this because I have a closet where there's no light and it is just such a dark closet, and I needed something. I tried these small little light bulb things. It didn't work. I'm hoping will really help make things a lot better. So I'm gonna go install it now. Let's test it out. That dark in there that my light on my phone just came on. This is my dark closet. And then I just added this to here, to the screw option instead of the 3M tape, just because this is a rental and I didn't want to waste the tape on this. I also added the batteries to this. You can see it's really bright. So I'm going to just attach it to here. It's very easy to install. So just as a quick view, this is my dark closet. So this is how it looks most of the time. And it's very hard to find anything in it. Oh, here we go. Let's see how this works. And you see the motion turned on and it's so bright in here. I can see everything. Wow.